New at 5, a South Milwaukee woman says she's been told she still has to pay her dad's rent, though he suddenly passed away. She told our Sean Gallagher she does not believe this is right. Sean joins us now from the newsroom, and Sean, this is strange.
Thomas Burns died on March 20th, even after 77 years. It came as a surprise to the family. They had a number of funeral expenses to deal with, but never expected to have to pay for his rent a month after he died.
I have his sport coat in the other room.
It's the little things that still get to Shannon Eckert when she thinks of her dad. The tears as fresh as they were when he died less than a month ago. The expenses piled up. She guesses about $5,000 for the funeral and memorial, but she never expected to get a bill for the apartment he no longer can live in.
I went in last week and they're like, well, we're going to have to send this bill to you. And then I was like, okay. I kind of felt like, you're charging me because he didn't give you notice that he was going to die of a heart attack? And I just thought, I'm like, that is not right.
She says an employee at Southtown Village told her to expect a bill for the following month.
That is absolutely not legal. The statute is very clear. The landlord is prohibited from contacting the family and from trying to collect the rent from the loved ones.
Professor Veda Lindsay with the Marquette Law School says there are ways for the landlord to legally collect the money. However, she says they must go through the court system and not directly to the family.
When the tenant signs that lease, that legally binding agreement to pay the rent for the duration of the lease term, the tenant is in fact obligated to do so.
And that's dead or alive?
That is dead or alive, yes.
Shannon expects the bill to be about $400, but says it's not about the money.
And my dad was never about the money. Like, if he owed a bill, he would pay it. But I just think this is wrong. I don't want to pay them. I mean, if I have to, I will, but I mean, I think it's really wrong what they're doing.
And the property manager declined an interview earlier today, but told me over the phone, in part, we try to be humane about it, but at the end of the day, it's still a business and we have to have some sort of policy set in place. Now, the company rented the apartment as of Monday, but the family would be on the hook for the first half of the month. Shannon Eckert says she's not sure if she'll hire an attorney. In the newsroom, Sean Gallagher, today's TMJ4.
Unbelievable. Thank you very much, Sean.